Welcome to Melodies TV, Ghana's #1 social platform.
Mimo bibi akwaba eba Melodies TV. So say I think yesterday or 2 days ago, me posted audio bi ne krani nyamienim. I ranted heavily on it. Na nini na say Ghana ni bia wo abrochre na say wo ye Facebook live. Na Facebook live na na work kan say Ghana Armed Forces ye military no one more airplane say womo betu President Akufo-Addo. Allegations kese na Ghana ni wo abrochi wo mae. Mekasa wa ho kire say for me personally I don't believe in some Ghana ni wo abrochi worker, and I said a lot of issues. I said a lot of things why I don't believe in some worker. No me hu say wo kosi fie mpa ne kwa. Now another Ghana ni wo abrochi asene audio ono wo se wo ye obi a wo very conscious when it comes to security. Intino one also send audio in a way no on also person what can what person who say the nipakuna what can ye Facebook live no but you see that's one thing about this channel. I don't hold people in a way say I don't begrudge people if their views are different from mine. Intimebo no so na with you, but I still stand by what I'm saying. Say sa video na nipakuna na audio na nipakuna ye ya work na media I don't believe. But Ghana ni awo abrochi wono de wose wo believe ema wakekan reasons bi akekan in a way secrets bi awosusu say ebenam so ama bibisa etomi esinti yenkuni nkoti na mesramo. And then your first time subscribe na click the notification bell on so. We have a new YouTube channel. Link no ewo comment box ni mo. Won sa audio ya me ba bebo a chew yi. Ghana for audio sa wo mo send yen, especially Ghana for a wo mo abrochi chichu audio sia wo mo send yen. Enche ye be sha say ye movie sa audios ni na akọ the new YouTube channel no. Inti na make se mun na mun subscribe. Inti yenko ni nkoti nsema wo di tuja.
That Melodies. Yeah, me church your bill. Me da ma say mo ma news ma yeti. Yeah, me church your tea for nyina. Melodies. Mbese me kan fa asem bia me tie no 3 days ago na so waka no me tie na no kai me sorry na me tie o kan about obi say obi bought tape bi and message ba say military aba soldier for no bofu mbese o mutu na ado asem mbese me kan say Melodies me no se oko security sector me mfa security measures in diagro sana metie oti ase sana me yede me metie sa bofra meti hokwa na sa bofra oye 3 years ka se obeto abobabo me a obonu ma take guard o ka se obebo ma sumu a menim se me wa chen no obonu ma gina nchen kakra me take guard the Ghana for no yati asem we obonu se Nana Done, commander in chief of the Ghana Armed Forces and only obi a soldier for bebre wo mo penasem and say NTBC but me can be being chiramo from my experience and adia meaning a fat and near much is a same. Yeah, Melodies. Yeah, Nana do the commander-in-chief of the Ghana Armed Forces. And about Womia Suna Yeden, or National Air Police for Penny. Na Bessamin country at your tea for no muntie, a tea for no muntie, yes, sir. Ghana no, the Biani and near the Diagro. I got a Mukurampo Yama, Nessa Yimu near the Diagro, until him so turn a Kunkumunko for SSM Crofoniama and Sana Yayedin. Ya fa ho adwen na de no so asɛyi Melodies banka se nipa no a owo abrochire so owo hin a wa masa audio no obetimi aye bibi but to me 90% of my belief no me the suspect man say obetimi aye bibi what you say yes to me metimi aka say obetimi aye bibi Melodies mpɛsɛ membisa sɛ Africa country bɛn na wate sɛ military government government militaries government armed forces defeat civilians da defeat rebels da ebi nsi wɔ Africa ebi nsi da wote aseɛ anytime there are rebels in a defeat government military. Yes. Gaddafi civilians in a defeat, upon a the strongest, one of the strongest military in Africa, having one of the strongest armed forces in Africa, civilians in a defeat. Civilians in a defeat. Gaddafi no one believe it, or Moka Ukraine no one believe it. Sierra Leone war, civilians in a defeat a two Tinjakaba. And a Ghana that time Rollins in the war. Rollins order Ghana soldiers. Nigeria so order and Omoko two military your friends for the Sanku. A Sunday Tinjakaba so and so civil war broke. Almost soldiers and anti-men defeated rebels. It was Sierra Leone. Until UN Bermuana peace by what you say. Liberia, Chastela, or recruit civilians at the Libya and Gaddafi training what you say. A number heading, a number starting war or defeats government suggestion. And do you know the reason why it happens? Africa abandia ba or recruiting the kromofo bebre gusoja nemu just to protect himself, not to protect the border of the country, not to protect the boundary, the country boundary, to protect himself. Say ebimu soja nemu na omo betu ono a ono ne kromofo wo ho o meko ache wo no and sisi ano omo yekuku no so omo ehunyansa and the only thing they do is they assess the country civilians and any bi and a guy no aye no what you say say the guy na aye the same thing aye no omo ye guy no message na all the buy no the same thing aye na bi mo ye omo de beba say just to know what we man kasa guy no be sao but sane omo ye ombe ma obi hunu ade abegba say umelodi waka ho asem ebi mo so akommend say yentu no ebi so say ni say and they will go through all the media ombe subscribe to media no then they will go through omaba melody na ma behwe the number of Ghanaians are almost yentu. No mark was sampa, the number of Ghanaians is yentu. No mark was say, Ombesa, no mark calculating in Abu, no mark percentage or more Ghana or more penana ado asem. Or more green soldier for no says soldier for no protecting Nanado. No, they know that Nanado, soldier for Nankasakas or Mutu no Muntimi because Nanado so from a ye time to or more recruit president of Beba, no more recruit or Mkrofo or Mukromofo. Ma or be a 1 year Saya Tamils and John Mahama. Atami is a buy any recruit to be or more call Elwa Stadium, Marco Gina Hall say Anka, Bass a former Sahel training ground, and Atami is a Pamo Muina Mokofi. And sometimes a go Melody say no more training, there be no money training ground. Na fiansa na omo beko na tamis ka se no omo ye ho assessment no ekoba na kire se one particular tribes and a dose of about 90%. Na tamis no Ghana belongs to all of us. When you are recruiting military or any security service in the country, say region bia nya ne chafa into the suku. What you say? Now, And because of President Biaba, wafa ne nkurɔfoɔ mo protecting it na sogyafoɔ no bi hu sɛ no yɛka sɛ yɛ overthrow na yɛ ntimi nti sisi civilians no ɔmo wɔ sika ɔmo wɔ links wɔ aburokyire ɛne the other president no ɔmo mu na ɛstɛke cool no wɔrɛ hwɛ Africa countries sisi a first no yɛsɛ cool sogyafoɔ atu president wɔ sogyafoɔ atu president sisi a hwɛ sɛ hɔn mo na afi sisi ɔmo ha adwen civilians Burkina Faso civilian on organize saa and civilians two almost president no ansana soldier for no ba ya beka say okay motundi ya take over nti because empese kunkunkum nkoso and say ni say Libya civilian and start here Algeria civilian and start here two almost president no Ali Bouteflika and otwane here a soldier for and so mo ntimi ahwe what you say and there are two things and the civilians need two government obi etimi organize to civilians number 1 to do massive demonstration and answer no be no say the guy no he will know the percentage of the population the percentage of the population of Ghana who doesn't like Nana Addo. Then someone will come and organize and the only thing is Nana should step down. Nana Sobeka so was soldier for no other soldier for no kum nipa 10 base a international organization should be rising up. Say look, mokum kum for yempene. And that pressure never to Nana so or no ankasa resigning. And yaka cooler kubita and you say a two nom dia ko no. Now they use civilians. And answer number use civilians and they assess the percentage. Population omo pet na Nana Addo asem the population omo pet na Nana Addo asem enti bi na guy no e de aba no enti obo se enye guy na nkasa ehunahuna krampo na ode hunahuna obi so obebi a wahu obehu percentage on pet na Nana asem number 2 enye demonstration a percentage no hu se 70% pet na Nana asem yentunu that is where obey international link no be recruiting crofo nyina youth for look a month you bet 1,500 the BBA free yeah the moko training for this country and they will train them well they have the ammunition there that country will be providing them everything at the secret o hwe African toko bia be ku bia no o beti say the country nine toko wo mo no he will be accusing the other country for supporting the rebels. Obo no also deny but na ya no kware and this matter it doesn't matter say only the commander in chief of the Ghana Armed Forces no they don't use military soldiers to do coup again. This is what that is the strategy omofa e de ye coup no what you say that is the strategy. From Rawlings time, now one particular tribe and the doors were military followed by another particular tribe. Kufu also buy Wabema now still one particular tribe they are still leading in the military. But Kufu also man and Kufu also about their second. The other particular tribes, they are now the minority in the military. But first, Nana Sike Nimono, not those people like the military, they like the military. Sike Nimono, and only say, you may be a Sike Nibiano who say, Obu Ma, nature say, or no, I don't know, or Doma, Sa, Ejuma, a Yisikanity. But now, Sikani woman, now it is because of Sikantina, Ebimuremo, and the Trapalacy. What you say? And this is here Ghana military no. Akotane political army. And the use omo ensan fan yeku because uko you see a soldier force omo yeku omo ntimi president no one crop for omo they use the civilians. And the question I just want to ask is One Africa country into kwesi what say government soldiers are conquer rebels and see that either the rebels defeat the government soldiers or they divide the country. Na country no after you and abem normal divide is okay. Mamu cross ha, we must mamu cross ha. Mebuana. Yes, because the president in power always or person in crofone endorse wom. And to omo tu banche wo ekurase omo hyempa bo omo de kofuo mu no omo di nantwechi no omo anka yesa omo be wura military mu to serve their country no. The president take his people to come and serve him and to protect him, not to serve the country. And then another one, the country no emu ya share economic situation in our country no mu nya ejuma ni ho a no bia complaining now dum so and ejuma ni Ghana enipokunkun insecurity and obia complaining and to be who say obi be share that aye say they are back to see the percentage of the youth of Ghanaians who like this president and those who don't like the president. And to who say 90% and 70%, 80% MP president na semua, and then he will fan it out through your medias. Some more will say this overthrow him, this overthrow no calculate the number Ghana your population say 30 million. Now the number of people in Ghana are supporting. Regions in now media is for more regions in my calculating in a no good percentage. And he will never come and take any soldier. It is the civilians that they will recruit. And I will show you one some countries are civilians emma a soldier for no much. South Sudan, civilians now fighting against a soldier for government soldiers. Civilians now recruit or train and they are brave more than the government soldiers. Dr. Congo, up to now, government soldiers in Timero Boso. Libya president, Gaddafi, civilians in a Kwankano, and in the soldiers in Ina, because what I say, Liberia, Chastela Bayan or the civilians and a training or more Libya, or the Kwanka government soldiers. Say the same thing. Now Nigeria right now. Boko Haram, omuni jet fighters, omuni ammo cars, omuni ammo tanks. AK-47 kekew, eno omukura. Any anti-aircraft gunship, asa. Any Toyota pickups. They be say a soldier for upon all their weapons. Nigeria, omo ankasa here military cars, omo here bullets. They are not be able to conquer Boko Haram. Because the economic hardship near one Nigeria. Boko Haram pay who say no. So me kasa me form a group where I make my form easy because I'm not for the brainy Jumaye. They let me form it and I will get supporters. Or form a young part will get it. Nigeria army or would they be a Boko Haram who but the Nigerian military will not be able upon their jet fighters, their ammo tanks, their everything. Or Muntimi conquer Boko Haram. Oh. And so you can't the best military in Africa. I'm saying Nigeria that's all fifth seafood. Egypt number 1. Ghana was 15, but first, to 2000, Ghana was Nigeria and they're the 5th, and Nigeria the 7th. See, Nigeria the 5th, seafood, and Ghana the 15th. Countries now Ghana army are better than them. The whole world from Kwame Nkrumah time to 2000, Ghana almost ranked the whole world best military, military index, firepower. Ghana, I say 40 something, 40 column, edeko. See, Ghana, out of 136 countries or more military, Ghana that 99. because the recruitment of the military is now not as first. And the civilians now work on the brave soldiers. Shushan for any truck or more trucks, the rare soldiers. And the person will do this to assess the number of people who don't like Akufo-Addo and then recruit them. In the Southern Africa countries, in Sisia or more, yes, anything I want to say as a military or more overthrow way, they be Sisia, they form rebels to come full attack. Panya, or more to no in the Quincy of Chronomo Asa. No, you and Abem. And the melodies, Mamma Famo, Assembly, Mancasa Nipano, the Awakano. No quite an but me percentage was a son amount for the assess the population of the country, the number of population or more per government national, need the number of population or more per government national. Mama Faho, I'm not so obese, so I Faho at the recruiting in Crofo. Say soldier for or more soldier for be true, dear Debbie, is Yano, who are funny chromophobia, I can't for be play, and I shame or more protecting. So they use the civilians. Obi person obey could be our Africa. They use the civilians. Say Juma Niho in the BB, ya jail up for Aquapim Polo, better be in jail no, or be a wood dear sicker in jail no, or soft mouth in jail no. That's a no. What you say? Obi a go tamod ballot box, ye shooting a kuno. Obi so ako tamubi, Carlos Ahenkra, ewo parliament, yan shooting no, yan jail no. Obi ya jail no adien watamba ballot box say 3 months how many man do ya sa fane no ya san say 5 years man in trouble Carlos Ahenkra onenam ho ono so akọwe ballot papers ene yi yan ye o sa niam ni nyina no no mo dey fa access edi hu say civilians no mo pe government na sama na so mo pe government na say when the equal rights it is not working in a country that there will never be peace. Or when nipa bone for fa edinya your friend is saying youth for no what you say anka Ghana all the resources e share pepepe anka yen kan kire nkwala say edro imalam say okonfo be na be kwa ka kire akwala keto say kokum obi bro be kwa kokum onye but because of poverty na we Ghana no what you say and na man kwala na yesa no and the same thing because of poverty no obi asese no who say the number of youth or more and I said the population of the country no more people don't like the government that is where they used to recruit, go to different country, train them well for 1 year 2 years and they'll become perfect and come and face the government soldiers because the government soldiers are not properly trained. And it's in Africa no, especially we black Africa side no until say rebels are started and government soldiers are conquered. Cote d'Ivoire rebels and a defeat a coach a conquer babu government soldiers no be brave a coach babu me buana a civilians nti abasa a soldier for ka kra na omo mu no obo no so akoka omo government na say no mo so akoka civilians na ya recruit omo so adane rebels eho nti melody asem person men kan say Ghana asem BBC ba omo trans omo fa ni serious no mo hwehwe omo niam ayi say dia ye be ka kira bofra say ya o ka say dia me o medwuma ye what you say omo share resources ni equal no mo fa obi a onim about security no mo fa ye minister Kandapa or ye chartered accountant but or ye den or your friends minister of your friends national security and then I can have animals security or no say or the whole from the military to the security matter of our country that ben what can another so we can about security in the country. Minister of Defense Dominic Ntowia and Debe bisanse or ye or a lawyer, the man Minister of Defense, and then only for defense. Konoko Bisanza, what is the difference between armored vehicle, fighting vehicle, and the armored tank? ohun soja ni kura me bisa no Ghana soja ni me bisa no me ka chen se Ghana for ye ni ammo tank o si ye wo bi ene bisa se ammo tank ye den won't me describe it me na me describe ma no e che na no so eno de ye ni bi attack helicopter onim but me can say helicopters but there is the difference between attack helicopter and then transport helicopters. Enti Ghana na kwadane ma me fa me nkrofo nhiem family and friends debe enti aya mo fa ne ma be serious what you say mo fa ne ma be serious sisi European Union mo so mo nto ye koko me boa ya nhwe ye mo nto ye koko bisa se mo ba Ghana na be hwe ya se satellite no mo de cheye enti saa so no bi dan baby no aye no they assess the population of Ghana, the number of people among pen and asem, no the what they have found in Crawford Bonnet. The melody, Masama, Meso me madin, dear minim, meso me channel, Madame.